Hot cocoa is a wonderful Christmas drink that always warms you up. And there's only one way you can make it more wonderful, other than, not buying that powdered crappy instant cocoa.
Happy birthmas.
Simple. Cocoa with spices. Obviously we're gonna need spices. But while I was testing this recipe, the spices were too underwhelming. But there's one way to fix that. Toast them over open heat. So to a pan, let's add 1 cinnamon stick, 10 to 12 whole cloves, 5 to 6 cardamom pods, and about 3 star anise pods. Let's get these roasting over a medium-high flame. Always keep them moving, otherwise you'll burn them. Okay, once they're nice and fragrant, kill the heat. Then transfer them into a spice bag. Link in the description if you want one. And my advice, use a paper plate to funnel them into the bag. That way it's easier and you don't burn your fingertips. Alright, tie this nice and tightly. And now we can finally assemble the cocoa. So in a medium-sized sauce pot, let's add 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, half a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, whisk them together, add in our spice bag, and bring it to a boil over high heat. Okay, once it hits a boil, drop the heat down low, and since we need to get as much flavors out of the spices as possible, let's simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes.
Let's have a Patrick Swayze Christmas this year.
Alright, I think we got enough flavor out of our spices. Let's fish them out. And let's add in 5 ounces of dark chocolate, followed by 5 ounces of milk chocolate. Let's kick up the flavor a bit. Let's add half a teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And let's top it off with 2.5 cups of milk. Let's give it a quick taste. Not bad, but adding cold milk to this cooled it down, so let's heat it back up a bit. And no, you're not seeing things. I'm holding on to this part of the whisk because the handle is too damn hot. Next, grab a mug that is definitely in no way emasculating. Get weirdly enough recipe appropriate, and drink up. And just in time for the holidays, a nice warm cup of spiced hot cocoa. 3 words. Swiss Miss. This has been Chase Cuttin Kitchen. I'm CRJ, making cooking fun and meaning it this time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you really like the video, become a subscriber and hit the bell notification icon. I upload every Monday. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and support me on Patreon. Oh wait, TikTok's going to be banned next month. Fun while it lasted.